Hey guys, this is the part 2 of oil leaking cap of Mercedes. This is the oil cap for the engine. I noticed last time, and as you see in my previous video, that there is a leaking with this oil cap. It's because an old rubber of the sealing of the cap, it's very old, and as you see here, it's very old. So I fixed that like I show you on my previous video with making a cut. I cut from I took this tubeless rubber and I cut it like around by scissor, and after cut in exactly round I put like this, and then I cut it by exactly round circle by scissor. But if you want to mark this rubber for like an exact position for cutting around, you can put some kills or dirt on it like this. This is very dirty. We put some other dirt from outside. When it's dirty, you can mark it up like this and you get the mark, and after it you can cut around. And after that you have to bend the rubber like this, then open a small hole inside it here by scissor, then start trimming it around like this, trimming it inside around, and you can use a mark pen as well. I have made it perfectly to fit inside the rubber, because if you make very big one and it's not perfectly fit, the oil cap will stuck and the rubber will come, the edge of the rubber will come outside, and we don't want that. So you have to make one perfectly like the original. This is the original. I will put it inside and then I will put that on the top, so it will make the oil cap sealed very perfectly. Thank you. The thing I want you to know is to bend those two metals. You can bend them with your hand like this and your hand like this to make the oil cap sealed very perfectly. Now it's perfectly fit inside the oil cap. We don't want the rubber to come out anymore from the oil cap. Okay, you have to fit it inside very well. Thank you.